In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates and wizards in LibreOffice Writer. To get started, open LibreOffice Writer and open your Writer file so you're ready to work. Once you're inside the program, there are two helpful tools you can use to speed up document creation: templates and wizards. Both are designed to save time, keep your formatting consistent, and make it easier to create professional-looking documents without starting from scratch. Let's begin with templates. Go to the top menu bar, click File, hover over New, and then select Templates. This will open the Template Manager. Here you'll see different categories that help organize the available template options. Choose the category that best matches the kind of document you want to create, then select the template you want to use. After choosing a template, click Open. LibreOffice Writer will create a new document based on that template. At this point, you can edit the document however you need. This is especially useful when you want a ready-made layout for things like reports, letters, or other formatted documents, because much of the design work is already done for you. Now let's look at wizards. Go back to the top menu bar, click File, and then hover over Wizards. You'll see several options to choose from, including letter, fax, agenda, document converter, and address data source. Select the wizard that fits the kind of document or task you want to work on. For this example, choose letter. A new LibreOffice Writer window will open, along with a pop-up for the letter wizard. In this wizard, you'll be guided through the setup step by step. First, choose the letter type, such as formal, personal, or business. You can also configure settings like the page design, then click Next. After that, select the items you want included in the printed letter, such as a logo, return address, subject line, or salutation, and then click Next again. In the following step, enter sender and recipient information, such as name, street, and postcode, then continue by clicking Next. Next, fill in the information you want to appear in the footer. Once that's done, click Next to move to the final settings. Here, you can define the template name, choose the location, set the file name, and decide whether you want to create a letter from the template immediately or make manual changes to the letter template first. When everything looks right, click Finish. LibreOffice Writer will complete the setup and generate your document. And that's it. That's how to use templates and wizards in LibreOffice Writer to create documents faster and with less manual formatting.